really cute, like glowy, dewy look. Hot girl summer. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a hot girl summer makeup video. I'm also eating chili right now. I don't know why I'm eating chili because it's really hot right now, and I'm eating chili and filming in the sun because but I made it yesterday. So let me explain what I use to prep my face. So I use this IPSY Glow Mud Cleanser. I really like it because it makes your skin look more like glowy and kind of like a little bit more dewy. So I felt that would be good to wear under like a hot like girl summer look. And then of course after I wash my face and everything, I kind of like patted it dry, and then I use my fresh rose water toner, which is literally almost gone. That's how much I love this stuff. And so now I'm just gonna put on some Mario Badescu spray. Just gonna let that dry. This primer, it's Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer by First Aid. It was in my IPSY bag this month of July. I used their red clay face wash because I have really sensitive skin, and so I like that, so I thought, let's try this. It gets really hot and I don't do well in the heat, so I don't want to use like a lot of foundation on my face, but I also want to make sure like my skin is hydrated and looking delicious. So I'm going to use this Dewey matte spray just so I don't look like too shiny. It's not a matte spray, it's like a little moisturizer. My Lancome 24-hour Tint Idol Ultra Wear foundation in color 555. Put just one drop of this like face oil just to give it, it's by Red Earth. It was also in my IPSY bag for July, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. So I did like a little first bit. I'm gonna put on some more. This is my face after I put on the little mixture. So it looks really dewy. So I'm just gonna take my little blender sponge and I'm just gonna blend that all out. Use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put a little here. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit under my eye just to kind of like brighten my eyes since I didn't put on a lot of foundation. A concealer brush and just pat it down. Milk concealer and just kind of go over like my little dark spot areas. Okay, so I just blended out my milk concealer everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little contour. Oh, and I'm using my Cover Fix Perfector face palette. I'm using this contour right here. Contour color. Eye primer. A seamless cheek color. It's by Glossier. I haven't used this before, so let me just see. Like, it still has a little. Let me just see like what this looks like. Ooh, some like got on my thumb. Down. This color aesthetic in that same palette. And I'm just gonna put it like, I think right there. I'm just taking some banana powder and putting it under my eye. This Brow Fix Tint and Shaper by Le Beautiful. This is my IPSY bag. So jelly spray, eyeliner on my eyes, the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, jelly highlighter. It's an iridescent jelly. It's by Ink. The color's really pretty. But I can't really see this away from. Okay, well, let's see. Let me just try some here. Oh, it does look very iridescent. Wait, can you see it? I put it on like right here. See when the light hits? Wait, first, I also wanted to try the Wet n Wild. This was like the whole purpose of the video. This Wet n Wild highlighting powder. It's really pretty. It was in my IPSY bag as well. I'm just putting it in my finger. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Do you see that? When the light touches it, it's like, yes. My skin looks so glowy and like hydrated and luscious. I'm just gonna put on this nude MAC lipstick.
I feel like this looks so cute. I really like this. I wasn't expecting. Like, this looks so good. Look how luscious and delicious my skin looks. Yes, highlight. My lips look and feel so creamy.